Good morning everyone, and for today's eye look I picked the two colors that became the permanent line. Both are used to be my absolute favorite because they both blend so well. I know many of you still haven't tried Shadow Sense. Then these two will be really perfect for even beginners, and at the same time these two colors are something that you can do individually, and also they can go very well together. Pink with brown is one of my favorite combination. Brown is always considered as a neutral, so it can go with any shades basically. For example, it can go with like very bright one like a yellow with brown. It can go with orange with brown. It can go with red with brown. So basically you can pretty much mix any two colors, and this will look absolutely gorgeous, and you can always use a color like this as your eyeliner too. So that's the one we are going to do. I think this eye look, I think I have already shown with the different combos where you will have a pink, and I think I have used Candid Cocoa Shimmer, which is I will show you. Yeah, this is Candid Cocoa Shimmer, which again was the limited edition, which was added to the permanent line. So you can see they are like closer to each other, whereas this is a shimmer color, and here they both are matte shades. So that is again perfect for beginners. This is like a perfect matte, whereas this has like a very pearly finish, even though, but still it comes under our matte Shadow Sense color. There is no any shimmery or glittery particles to it, so they are easy to blend with. I do even have a video where I have done Desert Rose for my all over eye look, where it is like you can use it as your what is it, like your eye color. You can use it as your blush color. This is such a very good color for blush, and you can use it as a lip color too. So anytime when you buy a color like this, they can work with multiple ways, then it's a very good plus. So let's go ahead and start the eye look. So let's go ahead and start with Desert Rose. As I said, if you are new to Shadow Sense, and if you just want to go with one shade, this will look really well, and you don't even need any what is it, like fancy brush to work with this shade. It will blend amazingly well, so you can just press it and just blend out the corners. That's how easy it is for this color to just melt on your skin, and you can see that's all. You can just go ahead with this one layer and finish it off with a eyeliner or something, and it will look really well on any skin tone basically. And it's been a while since I did any 5-minute quick get ready. Maybe we should do one of these shades for next week, and do like a very quick get ready video. That way you can see how it is easy to blend and do. As I said, see, the color is already well blended, and maybe I can just work on the corners alone, and you don't need to do much here, because some of the shades what to say, like the formula will be so nice to work on skin tone, and when you use your what to say, like when you use your fingers, they will start even melting more. So that way it is like blends so well, and it won't look any harsh lines at all. So if you are looking to start with Shadow Sense, grab one of these shades, and you will really love it. And as I was telling, like you can use it as your blush too, even the days you don't wear eye color. I always like to go with a fluffier brush with no product in it, and just blend out the corners. That way they will look like an ombre effect. You don't need any harsh lines. They would literally should look like as if they have faded away in your skin. That's how a clean eye look will look. If you want the color to show more, then you can always go ahead and do one more layer of the same shade, and make it look more prominent. And this is my favorite Real Technique brush for doing it for lower lashes. So I'm going to take the same color, and I'll just do it on my lower lashes too. That will give a complete look of any color. Even if you're doing just one shade, always make sure to do this. This will actually open up the eyes more and make the look really like a full one. So let me go ahead with French roast. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to just do it in my outer corner and take the same color in my crease. So I'm going to take a smaller brush, that way I have control just to do it on the outer corner. So I'm going to take a tiny bit of it. When you are working on a darker shade, take just a tiny amount and add it. That way you will have control over the shade instead of taking a larger amount and trying to blend it. Sometimes they won't blend well if you have too much product in it. So make sure to take a very little bit of shadow sense color, and then you can always go back and add more. And I'm going to also take it like this and just use it as a crease color too. So that way you will have both colors blended so well, and this will become your crease color. So you can do either ways. You can first do the crease color and come back and do it, or like how I did. I wanted to show you how Desert Rose can be your all over lid shade. So that's why for today's eye look I did in that sense. But you can always go back and do first the crease color and then come back and add the overall lid shade. I always take the brush that I have used for Desert Rose. I haven't added any new product, but what I do is I just blend the edges where these two colors meet. That way you won't have any what is it, like two colors will not look too as if they are like two separate things. It has to look like one cohesive eye look. So whenever you use more than one shade, always go back with the color I mean the what is it, like whatever other color you have used, and just blend out very lightly. You don't have to put too much pressure on, but just blending out they will look really nice. So I am fine with this kind of darkness. If you want to be more smokier, you can always add one more layer of it. I'm going to use the same brush I used for Desert Rose, and I'm going to run it along my lower lashes. Here I may add a little bit more because here I wanted it to be little darker, so that it will give a nice smoky effect, and also it will blend when I do my eye sense pencils. Same way for this you can do black brown. We used to carry a brown pencil which is not there anymore. Even that will look really nice. Since French roast is darker, you can either go with black brown or even black. So that's it with the shadow sense look. I'm going to finish it offline with my liquid eyeliner for the top, and for my bottom I will use a pencil liner and come back and show you how the finished look is. So I did complete. I just did the black liquid eyeliner on top, and I have used the black brown pencil because, as I mentioned, with the French roast the brown goes really well. So that's the one I did, and I just finished it with our 3-in-1 lash primer and also with the non-waterproof mascara. Let's go ahead and see how we can use Desert Rose as a blush. I have brought my brush here, so let me go ahead and apply it directly here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just blend it, the color, so well in my cheeks. It goes really well. Make sure you take it all the way up so that it blends so naturally. I always like to keep it on my outer line of my eyes. That's how much I take it. I don't take it further. So these shadow sense blend so beautifully well. You can see it gives a nice natural pinky cheeks, but at the same time it's not overly done. So I'm going to just finish it off with pink fortune glass. You can even do Desert Rose as your lip color. So that's the quick simple look. It can be your 5-minute quick get ready with one shade, where you can use like your eyeshadow, your blush, and your lip color too. So hope you have liked this. I'm very happy that these two are being added to the permanent line, because this will be your what is it, like a color that you can, everyone can have in their stash, because even if you want like a smoky eye, I really like when we can do like a black and then take it away with browns. So French roast will work really well in that case too. That's all for today's video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day.